Meanwhile, in other news, a row has now erupted in a private agriculture college in Amravati that gave out COVID-19 stamped certificates to first and second year students. The students were unhappy over the stamped mark sheets as they feared that it will create discrimination in future. The Maharashtra Agriculture Minister has now ordered a probe, saying there is no such directive going in from his department to mark the mark sheets, stamping them with COVID-19. In fact, he has ordered a probe now in the matter and written to the State Council of Agriculture, Education and Research and Vice Chancellors of Agriculture Universities, saying and clarifying that this particular order to stamp the mark sheets have not been issued from any competent authority under his department or to certify the students in any manner. Neha Kulkarni tracking this story. Neha, so that's the final word then, since it comes from the Agriculture Minister. But why exactly would a college do something like this? What is the inside story here?
Absolutely, it was really shocking. In fact, the matter came to light yesterday when the copy of this certificate became a big topic of discussion on social media, where the students were talking about it, especially of these agriculture colleges, saying that how it is that they are such a stamp certificate will be given to them, because it will definitely impact their future when they try to seek education in MSc courses or get future jobs. Then the fact that they have been promoted to another class to the next year based on the fact that because of the coronavirus scare the exams did not happen will create an impact as far as the education is concerned, remain the major scare among students. Absolutely, it was shocking considering the university took such a decision to stamp it in this way. Definitely there was and which is why an inquiry has been put in place now, Frida, by the Agriculture Ministry itself to understand why it is that such a thing happened.
Yes.
Who took the decision of putting such a stamp on the certificates of students, and why was the ministry not consulted before doing so? In fact, BJP leader Ashish Shelar also took to Twitter and tweeted about it, saying that this would have definitely caused mental torture among students and required action in terms of suspending the person who took this decision of putting such stamp should be taken. We understand now that in Maharashtra, as far as first year and second year courses are concerned, the decision was taken to promote these students to the next year because the exams could not be taken as far as the corona scare is concerned. And as far as final year exam goes, the Maharashtra state government has decided not to hold these exams due to the pandemic situation, which is still under debate.
All right. Yes, like we can see in those pictures, there's been bracketed saying COVID-19 with the word promoted. So that is creating a lot of concern. Thanks for joining us with your information on the story, Neha. Mr. News.